Hey math kids, today we're going to talk about dilations, and you should definitely use a ruler when doing this, but I don't really have a way to do a ruler on this, so we're going to see how this goes. Okay, so this time we have a line with points marked A, B, and C. Then we have what's called a point of, or a center of dilation, and we're going to call that point P. And we are going to dilate by 2. So to do that, what we're going to do is we're going to measure with a ruler from here to here, so from P to A, and then we are going to continue that length all the way out to here. So just to be clear, let's pretend like this was 12 centimeters from here to here. This would also be 12 centimeters from here to here, making the entire segment twice as long, or 24 centimeters. So when we're measuring from here to here, measure, let's say that one was 10 centimeters, we go an additional 10 centimeters, we get to here, we're going to call this point A prime, this point B prime, and the last point, if we go double through it, once again, let's say this one's 13 centimeters. So from here to here, it's going to be 13 centimeters as well. Once again, we're dilating by a factor of 2, so we're going to go twice as far. So from P to A, now we go P to A prime, which is twice as far. P to B prime, twice as far, and then P to C prime, which is twice as far. And if you do it correctly and you use a ruler, you should be able to draw a line that goes straight through all those points. Once again, I know that looks like garbage, but that's how you do it. Okay, now let's do one where we have a, I'll draw it smaller, it's going to be better if I do that. I don't know what's going on. Okay. Let's see. I clicked something and I don't know what I did. It's not letting me draw. Oh, I switched layers. That's what I did. Okay. There we go. Zoom out. Alright, sorry about that. So I'm going to draw a triangle. And I'm going to pick a point of dilation that's in the inside, or a center of dilation. Call that P. We'll call this A, B, and C. And what we're going to do, this is going to be dilation by 3. So if we measure from here to here, let's say that that's 3 centimeters. We're going to go another 3 centimeters and another 3 centimeters. So the total length of that yellow line should be 9 centimeters now, because the original was 3. 3 times 3 is 9. And then this would be my A prime. Alright, so if I measure from here to here, and let's say that was 5 centimeters, then we're going to do another 5 and another 5. So the total length of this would be 15, because 5 times 3 is 15. And that's where my C prime is. And the last one, let's say that's 2 centimeters. We're going to go 2, then 2, then 2. So the total length of this would be 6, because 2 times 3 is 6. And then the final answer, or our dilation, would be the triangle that we can create using those points. Okay? Alright, now you're going to have some word problems that say like a segment measuring 5 units is dilated by 7/5, something like that. Remember, dilation is just multiplication, so all we have to do is take the two numbers, multiply them together. So 5 times 7/5. 5's cancel, so the answer to that one is 7. Now, they'll try to trick you on some of them. So they might say a 3-unit segment is dilated by 7 and has a center of dilation at 1,1. So you don't really care about this information. You just take this and multiply. 7 times 3 is 21, and so that is the length of the new segment, would be 21 units. Alright, that should be everything that you need to complete your assignment. If you need additional help, please come to Math Lab. Until then, calculator.